Hey guys, and welcome to another giveaway. Anyways, right here we have our latest winner. Now, no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like. Watch the entire video for the 3 steps coming up, and let's just get ready to gift. What he signed up for and what he wants this time is right in here, the Sun Gohan bundle. So we're gonna go on and gift. We're gonna do this right away, so you guys don't have to wait for this. And we're gonna go on and gift with V-Bucks. Wait, I don't have V-Bucks? When did this happen? 500 V-Bucks, okay. So let's just purchase some V-Bucks, because I apparently lost them all. So here we go. Alright, so we're gonna go back. And finally have enough V-Bucks. So let's get back to the giveaway. Alright, let's go. Alright, I forgot I gifted a bunch of stuff before where I used up all my V-Bucks. So here we go. Let's try this again. Purchase gift, sending gift. Alright, one of the things that doesn't require V-Bucks is the Battle Pass, by the way. So if you sign up for the Battle Pass, it's fine. You can sign up for it, but it doesn't require me to have any V-Bucks to gift that out. How long does it take for him to get the gift? Well, as you guys can see, it says that he owns this. I cannot send it over again. That's how I can make sure that he got the gift. How can you guys make sure he got the gift? Well, he has to wear it, right? So we're going to go back to lobby and we'll have to see him wearing it. If he's not, then he has to change his banner. We can go into a game, get out of the game, and that way that's going to refresh Fortnite for us. So let's just go back and he's wearing it. Awesome. So congrats for winning. Now, if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.